Time has come, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you are not. You've been here for at least 6.5 years. I could not stop thinking about it. I'm one of those people that impulsively buys whatever she wants if she wants it, and I'm trying to get better at it, and I have gotten very good at it. I haven't been able to stop thinking about Michelle Ready Set Glamour's lip combo. I went to Ulta and they had 2 of the 3 products that I needed for this combo. So I had to go to a second Ulta. That just told me, okay, I could see this as I am determined to get this lip combo because I know it's gonna change my life. Or I could see this as a sign of they don't have all 3 of the products, so just let it go. It's a lip combo. It's not realistic. You're not gonna use it that often, but it wasn't the latter. If you don't know what I'm talking about or who I'm talking about, you do because you've been here for long enough to know who Michelle is. Michelle is Ready Set Glamour. She was on YouTube with me at the same time, disappeared, came back, and now she's like the real queen on Instagram and TikTok. She posted this. I hope she doesn't mind me sharing.
More white, do this lip combo. All it is MAC Cork lip liner on the perimeter of your lips. Then you're gonna fill in your lips with MAC Oak lip liner. Top everything off with MAC lipstick in the shade Yash. Tell me it doesn't look like I just went and got teeth whitening. Like, hello.
Isn't she precious? She's so pretty. I'm like, can I just borrow your everything for a weekend, you know? So she said, what did she say first?
If you want your teeth to look more white, do this lip combo. All it is MAC Cork lip liner on the perimeter of
Cork. Okay, so we're gonna start with Cork. I gotta take off this. I'm wearing a Maybelline lip balm oil, whatever. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to achieve the same look that she has because she has a beautiful tan olive complexion. I'm pale right now. My lips are really pigmented. Like, this is my natural color of lips. So we're gonna try our best. Let me use I'm not necessarily canceling it out, but I'm also like, I'm turning the volume down a little bit with whatever was left on my sponge from powder. Okay, I totally forgot what she said. Was it Cork? I think it was Cork. This is literally my mind all the time.
perimeter of your lip. More white, do this lip combo. All it is MAC
I'm
Cork
so
lip
good.
liner.
Cork. Okay, Cork. Let me just put them in order in front of me because I'm an old lady. Cork. Okay. She said, you're going to put Cork on the perimeter of your lips. I honestly thought it was just on the bottom when I saw her on her Instagram stories, but nope. Oh, this is dark. I'm gonna be looking a little chola, but let's do it. Let's do it for, how old is this lip liner? It has that little white cast on it. Ow, it's sharp. There we go. We just have to scratch off the first layer. If you know, you know. Okay. They're gonna... Have they always been this hard? I remember them being really creamy. There's this NYX lip liner vault at Ulta right now. It's like 12 lip liners for like 30 bucks. NYX has really good lip liners. They remind me of like MAC lip liners, but they're $6. Not 25. Okay, we're gonna have to fast forward this a little bit. I've done better line jobs in other times. That is Cork. Then we're gonna go in with Oak. And she said, fill in your lips with this. Ow, we're doing it. Oh gosh. Hashtag Team Raisin Lips, holy moly. I wonder if she went over Cork. I mean, my teeth are already looking really white. So we're onto something. That is Oak all over. Look at my teeth. Holy moly. Okay, and then this is how long I've been out of the MAC circle. I didn't know what Silky Matte was. You know, I remember when they were just the mattes and the, you know, Viva Glam. The packaging, I didn't recognize that. My eye is twitching. Thank you, perimenopause. Yash. This is a Silky Matte. Yash. Ooh, I don't know if I can pull this color off. Adiosito. Okay, ready? Be honest. I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes or seconds to process. I need you to be honest with me. If you were to tell me to be honest and I don't like your outfit, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you in a soft, gentle way, obviously. If you wanted me to, you're my opinion on the guy you're dating, I'm gonna tell you, you know, he's married. If you, like, I think it's hard being a good friend because you have to do the hard things too. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I like it, but I don't know. Okay, let me rewind. I like it. I just don't know if it's flattering on me. So that's what I need from you guys. Like, I like it. And I know I should take my own advice and be like, well, if you like it, rock it, girl. Be you, do what you like and makes you happy, right? But I also don't want to be out there doing something unflattering if I could do something that looks better. You know, like if lip oils are my thing, I'm okay with that. I really like it. Do I like it on me? Do I like the combo? Do I like that it makes my teeth look really white? Or am I just a really stubborn person and it took me so much effort to get here that I love it because I had to go to 2 different Ultas, you know? Or am I just really obsessed with Michelle and I want to be twins with her? I did not have the preconceived notion that putting it on was going to make me look like her. You know, obviously, because I'm like 10 years older than her. But also, I was hoping it would make me look a little bit like her. You guys, like, come on. This is us. We're hanging out. I'm being honest, you know? Like, if you like something on someone, you're hoping to look like them, right? Not because, you know what I'm saying. I think I like it. But let me look in the window. It is certainly 100% out of my comfort zone because it's cool toned. It is a cool toned lip color. And if I ever do this type of nail polish on my hands or feet, I look like a cadaver. They're not flattering, and I'm afraid that that's how this looks on me, even though I like it. Anyway, you guys are gonna have to let me know. So just to recap, it's Ready, Set, Glamour, Michelle, on TikTok, on Instagram. She is an OG. I don't know why I said she's 10 years older than me, because we started at the same time. But like, we also had the babies and stuff. It's very different times. She's at least 5 years younger than me. Anyway, I don't know why that's important. She's wonderful. Her content is great. And it's kind of one of those feel-good pages where, like, if you just want information, like you just want data, you want swatches, you want a pretty girl to watch, you know, that's still obsessed with beauty stuff. She's very nostalgic for like 2016, which is hard to find now, you know? Like, we went super oversaturated and then everyone was like, I'm out, I'm doing lifestyle, I'm doing the easy, the convenient, the what is relative to me right now, pandemic, whatever. And she's like, nope, I still love lip swatches, and this is, you know, she's awesome. I don't know how I got on that, but oh yeah, the recap. So I'll leave Michelle's information down below, the reel that I watched 7 times because I couldn't remember the order of the products. And then also the 3 MAC products that she recommended. I'm sure there's drugstore dupes for these 2, so I'll list the MAC ones and then you can go out there and Google for yourself. So a recap, it was Cork on the outside, Oak to fill in, and then top and blend with Yash. What do we think? I don't know. I think I have to do a second video with this lip combo just so I don't have to take it off. It's really comfortable too, even though it's 2 lip liners and a matte lipstick. It is super creamy. I like it. Sorry guys. Let me know what you think, but please don't break my heart because I love you and I'm sensitive. I'm gonna tell you what I tell Parker. Talk to me like someone you love. Like, you can give me the bad news, but like, don't forget that you love me, okay? Anyway, that is it for this video. Is this the shortest video I've ever done? Probably. And could it have been shorter? Probably. But have I ever? Probably not. Anyway, that is it for this video. I will list Michelle, her socials, and these 3 products in the description box of this video. And that's it. I love you so much. Bye!